In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chrome AI Mode with Address Bar Shortcut. We'll turn on an experimental Chrome feature, restart the browser, and then access AI Mode right from a new tab so you can get quick assistance directly from the address bar. Start by clicking into the address bar at the top of Chrome. This field is sometimes called the Omnibox because it handles both web addresses and searches. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly jump to it with a single command, but clicking works just fine. Now type Chrome/flags and press enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. A quick heads up, flags are test features that may change, and turning them on can affect browser behavior. That's why we're only switching on one specific item today. On the flags page, click the search box near the top. This is the easiest way to filter through the long list of options. In the search field, type AI. Chrome will narrow the results to anything related to AI features or AI mode. When you see the AI-related flag, change its setting to enabled. Depending on your Chrome version, the exact wording may vary slightly, but the key is to enable the AI mode feature. If you later want to undo this, you can always come back here and set it back to default. As soon as you enable the flag, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Click Relaunch. The browser will close and reopen your tabs, so give it a moment to come back. If you had multiple tabs open, Chrome typically restores them automatically. Once Chrome has relaunched, open a new tab. You can click the plus icon at the top or use your usual shortcut. On the new tab page, look for the AI mode option. It may appear as a chip, toggle, or button tied to the new tab or near the address bar. Click it to turn AI mode on. With AI mode enabled, you'll be able to use the address bar more powerfully. As you begin typing, you may see AI suggestions or a prompt to ask for help summarizing pages, drafting text, or getting quick answers. If you don't see the AI option yet, make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. Availability can vary by version and region. And if anything feels off, you can return to the flags page to reset the feature. That's it. You enabled the AI flag, relaunched, opened a new tab, and activated AI mode. Enjoy exploring the new address bar, shortcuts, and smarter browsing.